Good morning. It is really cold out. These girls are enjoying some grass. It's November, I don't know, Saturday, I think. Oh gosh, I don't know what day it is of the month. I think maybe 22 Saturday. Girls are out. They really like to follow me now. The sun is out. See, I start walking and they just start. Oh, Goldie, you look so pretty in this sunlight. That's why you so gold. Oh my gosh, don't peck my feet. Stop following me. Why are you following me? Oh, look at this. They're just following me. And they like want to peck my feet or something. Oh my gosh. Why? Do you just want to get close to me? Oh, look at all these mushrooms. I don't have any food for you, if you think that's the case. My toes are not your food, okay? They're so pretty. I want to see them in the sunlight. You want to see them in the sunlight? Watch, I'll just walk over here. They'll come over. Oh, there's Goldie. No filter here. That's just Goldie in the golden sunlight. Morning sunlight. I started a Substack called Goldie Hen. Oh my gosh, they just love following me. They're so pretty. I'm so glad I got these chickens. Look at their little golden butts in the sunlight. They're sweet chickens. They're really sweet. I mean, I can pet them. I can get their eggs. They don't peck me. They don't squawk at me. They don't do that. I'm getting in trouble with Charles with his grass. Keep the bark mulch in the bark mulch area. Scoot. I'm getting in trouble. I'm hearing it all day long now. The chickens are ruining my grass. Can you please build your chicken tunnel so that they don't go into the grass? I knew it was going to be a problem. But, I haven't had time to do the tunnel yet. And I don't know. I got to do it though soon. There are so many hawks now circling our house that it's been a little scary to honestly let them out and not really. Oh, Goldie, you're gonna get me in trouble. Keep the bark mulch. No, see this? This is where I get yelled at. You're not gonna move in. Scratch over there. There you go. This is a no-no. It's okay, scoot inwards into the bark mulch area. This is where I get in trouble. I need to build the tunnel. Chicken safe area to keep everyone happy. I just need more time. These girls are still laying 4 eggs a day. It's cold, but I am getting 4. They haven't slowed down yet for the winter. Which is nice. And they're just pretty. Hey, Goldie, remember, no, Goldie, scoot Scoot. Bingo. They like this area a lot because there's no fabric here. There's no weed cloth. So come on, just go in the sunlight. Show off your pretty colors. If I walk over here, you're just gonna follow me. Hey, look, I'm going this way. I'm going this way. Oh, look at her. Jeez. Hey, chickies. Hey, chickies. Hey, chickies. Hey, chickies. I've become that person with the chickens who follow her. Look at that. I've done it. They followed me over. Hey, chickies. Come play over here where it's like far away from the grass. Yeah. My son is building a little tunnel here, and he's been working on creating a lovely playground for insects and caves. And yeah, this is my life now. Chicken herder. Ow! That was my toe. Okay, that's enough. All right, bye guys.